In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up SMS marketing on Klaviyo. If you are setting up text message marketing for the first time, the first thing you need to do is make sure your sender information is configured correctly. This helps Klaviyo display the right details to subscribers and ensures your messages are sent from the correct country and setup. To begin, open Klaviyo and look for the main settings area. From the left side navigation, you want to go to Settings. Take a moment to click into that section, because the sender setup lives inside the text message settings. Once you are in Settings, you will see different options for different message channels, such as email and text message. Next, find and select text message. This is the area where Klaviyo manages your SMS configuration, including how your sender information is set up. If you do not see text message right away, look for it within the settings categories. The goal here is to reach the specific page where Klaviyo asks you to set up sender details. Now that you are in the text message settings, you will see an option called Set up Sender Information. Click on Set up Sender Information to start the setup flow. This step matters because sender information is what determines how Klaviyo identifies your SMS sending identity to subscribers. In other words, it is a foundational setting, so it is worth taking your time here and following the prompts exactly. After you click Set up Sender Information, Klaviyo will ask you to choose your country. You should see a list of available countries or a selection menu. For this step, you will select your country based on where your business operates or where your SMS sending is tied to. The important part is choosing the correct country so that Klaviyo can configure the sender details properly. Go ahead and select your country from the list. As you do this, watch for any additional fields or confirmation messages that appear right after the selection. Sometimes Klaviyo updates the form to match the country you chose, and that is normal. The system may adjust the options you see, so it is a good idea to pause briefly and make sure the page updates as expected before you continue. Once your country is selected, you are essentially done with the setup entry point described in these steps. At this stage, Klaviyo has what it needs to continue configuring SMS sender information in a country-specific way. From here, you can proceed with the remaining SMS setup steps in Klaviyo. But for this part of the process, the key accomplishment is that you have reached the sender information setup and selected your country, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know for starting your SMS marketing setup in Klaviyo by going to Settings, opening text message, clicking Set up Sender Information, and selecting your country.